In this video, I want us to learn about trigonometry. If you look at the question that we have here, we are told to find the length of a line or side AB. And whatever we have been given on this question is the measurement for AC and the angle AC. So before we look at what we are required to do, whenever you have a trigonometric question, you must always remember this formula, that is a SOHCAHTOA. The formula SOHCAHTOA means this one represents a sign, so the S stands for sign, the O stands for opposite, the H stands for hypotenuse, the C stands for the cosine, A stands for the adjacent, and T stands for the tangent. So how can you apply the formula? Whatever you do, for you to be able to get the sine of any angle, you are supposed to get the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. So the sine is given by opposite divided by the hypotenuse. If you want to get the cosine of any angle, the cosine is given by the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. And if you want to get the tangent of any angle, the tangent or tan is given by the opposite divided by the adjacent. So with this knowledge, let us now go back to our question. We are required to get the length AB, and what we have, it is this angle, and the length AC. So if you look at the triangle that we have, this one is a right angle triangle, which tells us that this side is our hypotenuse, BC is the adjacent, and AB is our opposite. So for us to get AB, which is now our opposite, remember we have the measurement for the hypotenuse and we have this angle here. So we are going to apply the sine to get this measurement. So the sine of that 80 degrees is supposed to be given by the opposite. In our case, we don't know the opposite. It's supposed to be given by the opposite divided by 80 centimeter. So to get now the opposite, this one is given by, you just multiply a sine 38 multiplied by 80 centimeter. So sine, this one is supposed to be given by sine that 80 degrees multiplied by 80 centimeter. So you can just key in your calculator, get the sine of that 80 degrees, then multiply the answer by 80. Multiply the answer by 80. So the sine of that 8 degrees is given by 0.6157. So this one is 0.6187 multiplied by 80. When you multiply the two, you get the final answer as 49. The final answer is 49.3 centimeter. So the final answer, or the opposite, will be given by 49.3 centimeter. This is now the answer for the length AB.